Welcome to the Black Phoenix Financial Podcast. Lee Kemp here for another week of learning with my good friend Ethan Cope. How are we doing this week?
Good to see you, Lee. Good to be with everyone, for sure.
Excellent. So, we're starting a little different this week, aren't we? What are we doing?
Yeah, well, we've had 10 episodes so far, and this is the 11th episode. So we're going to do something super special for all you busy bees. We know that things, even though COVID's been crazy, most of us simply haven't slowed down. So in order to serve everyone and appeal to as many listeners as possible, we want to offer something new this week. And it's going to be the first 5 minutes of every show is going to be a way to grow your trading account by taking this one key thought every week and then working on it on your own time. So this week, we're actually going to start with something that's super important for every trader, and that's preserving mental capital. Your emotions have to be good, and you're a beginner. Most of us, even the traders that have been in this a long time, we're all children, right? And we're all still learning. So the idea is that we constantly have to be able to tell ourselves it's okay to make a mistake. It's okay that this trade didn't go perfect, but to talk to ourselves and remind ourselves every day of the improvement that we've made. Say the book that we read, the idea that we're sitting in front of the market and we're trying to learn the trades that we've had and that we can feel proud of, even if it's just a little portion of the trade. So staying positive is a great way to pay yourself. And then what we're going to look at later in this video is how to pay yourself in the trade, because taking profits is so important in trading. It's actually just as important, or maybe even more important than cutting a losing trade short, is learning how to take money off the table. So those are the two ways in 5 minutes that we can truly show some progress, is by preserving that mental capital, staying positive about our trades, and paying ourselves in two different ways. Paying ourselves by listing the positives each day and paying ourselves in the trade. So that's the idea, that we're going to go back into the simulations today, and Lee is going to show us some of his simulations, and we're going to work through how to immediately start recycling profits and how we put on risk in harmony with the profits that we're able to take off the table. So that's the goal today. For all of our regular listeners who stick around with us for a half hour, that's going to be where the gold is at. And then for all you quick, busy bees, we hope we gave you some food for thought this week on staying positive, paying yourself in two ways: paying yourself by listing the positives and paying yourself in the trade. So paying yourself in the trade is what we're going to concentrate on today. Excited to get into it on Chart Game again.
Excellent. No, I'm looking forward to doing it. So everyone, again, as Ethan said, we thank you. We're now on the 11th show now. If you're watching this on the quick 5-minute version and you're interested to hear more, especially on how you lock in those profits for yourself and pay yourself, which I'm really excited to be doing, then click on the full episode. It's episode 11. You can see it all. If you're already on the episode, you're in the right place. Stick with us and you're going to get some education gold from us this week. Again, catch us on social media. Ethan at T4A Phoenix, Phoenix spelled Phenux. We on the show are at BP Financial Pod, and YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify, wherever you are watching or listening. Hit subscribe, leave a comment, leave a review. We really, really appreciate it.